Hello everyone, welcome back to the World Conflict Monitor channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most gripping military scenarios of modern times, how the United States could use its B-2 Spirit stealth bombers to strike inside Iran's highly fortified Fordow nuclear facility using decoy and deception tactics. Before we get into the technical details, let's begin with the story summary. The Fordow site, buried deep inside a mountain near Qom, has long been a centerpiece of Iran's nuclear program and a symbol of its determination to resist outside pressure. For years, military strategists have debated whether any air force in the world could penetrate such a heavily protected location. In this analysis, we break down how the B-2, one of the most advanced stealth bombers ever built, might achieve such a mission. The story begins with the rising tension between the US and Iran, as international inspectors and intelligence agencies warn of nuclear enrichment activities reaching alarming levels. The Pentagon prepares a highly secretive plan. At the center of it is the B-2 Spirit, designed during the Cold War to penetrate the most dangerous air defense networks. The mission hinges not only on raw firepower but on deception, using decoy drones and false radar signatures to overwhelm Iranian defenses. The aim is to slip past radar, reach Fordow, and deliver precision-guided bunker-buster munitions capable of shaking the underground complex to its core. From the exterior, the B-2 is unlike any other aircraft in the world. Its flying wing design has no tail, no obvious fuselage, just a sleek black triangular body built for invisibility. The surfaces absorb radar waves while the shape deflects signals, making the bomber appear as small as a bird or disappear completely from radar screens. With a wingspan wider than a football field yet a height no taller than an average human, the design maximizes lift while minimizing detection. For a mission into Iranian airspace, this stealth exterior is not just a feature, it's the lifeline of the entire strike plan. Inside the B-2, the layout is surprisingly minimal. The cockpit seats just two pilots side by side, surrounded by advanced digital displays, radar-absorbing materials, and classified avionics systems. Unlike larger bombers, it is not built for comfort, it is built for control, precision, and long-endurance flights. Crews endure hours, sometimes more than a full day in the air, with limited space but maximum situational awareness. The focus is on streamlined operations where every switch, every display, and every warning system supports survival in hostile skies. In terms of performance, the B-2 operates with an intercontinental range, capable of flying directly from the United States to the Middle East without refueling, though mid-air refueling often extends its reach. It cruises at subsonic speeds, but its strength lies in stealth, not speed. Its engines are buried within the wing-to-mast heat signatures, reducing the chance of being targeted by surface-to-air missiles. With the ability to carry both conventional and nuclear payloads, the bomber can unleash precision-guided bunker busters like the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, an enormous bomb designed specifically for underground facilities like Fordow. This combination of long-range, stealth, and devastating payload is what makes the B-2 central to the Iran strike scenario. Safety features are woven into its design philosophy. The stealth coating, the onboard defensive systems, and the redundancy of critical flight components give it survivability in hostile environments. Pilots have escape options and layered electronic countermeasures. Just as important as the safety of the mission itself, reducing the risk of escalation while ensuring the strike has pinpoint accuracy. Precision minimizes collateral damage, a key factor in any high-stakes attack deep inside enemy territory. What makes the B-2 uniquely powerful is its ability to combine stealth with deception. In a mission against Iran, U.S. forces could launch swarms of unmanned aerial decoys to simulate an incoming attack, forcing Iranian air defenses to light up their radars and reveal positions. As Iranian forces chase the decoys, the B-2 slips through undetected, flying low and masked by terrain, only to release bunker busters at the exact coordinates of the Fordow facility. The unique selling point here is not just the bomber's invisibility, but the coordinated deception strategy that ensures Iranian defenses waste resources on ghosts while the real strike comes silently from above. The cost of such technology is staggering. Each B-2 bomber carries a price tag of around $2 billion, making it one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Maintenance, stealth coating upkeep, and the training required add to the enormous bill. But price is a reflection of capability. It represents decades of engineering, the most advanced materials, and a design meant to dominate the skies without ever being seen. In conclusion, The idea of a B-2 strike against Iran's Fordow facility is not science fiction but a calculated scenario based on the bomber's real-world strengths. The story blends high-stakes geopolitics, advanced stealth technology, and strategic deception. The B-2's exterior stealth shape, the Spartan interior designed for precision, its unmatched performance in range and payload, its defensive safety systems, and its unique selling point of penetrating the world's toughest air defenses all combine to make it the centerpiece of such an operation. While the price is monumental, so too is the message. The ability to strike anywhere, even against the most hidden targets, remains firmly within U.S. power.